Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very quick and delicious noodles. You are going to love this one and everyone is going to ask for more. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, leave your comment and share. Don't forget to always like my video and share my video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to support a girl. So guys, let's get started. And here are my ingredients for this recipe. So let's say we are making vegetable and beef instant noodles, okay? So let me introduce my star ingredients first, which is my noodles. For my noodles, I'm using the Honeywell instant noodles. That's the chicken flavored one. I've not tried these noodles before. This is my first time. So here is my beef. I'm using beef. You can buy the minced beef, the store-bought one, but I'm going to be grinding this myself. And here is my spring onions, my carrots, my onions, and my pepper for some heat. So I'm going to be grinding the pepper together with the meat and the garlic. Okay, I'll be grinding them together in my food processor. So but if you can buy the store-bought one, but I love to do mine myself. Just buy my meat and grind it myself. So here we have it, the beef, the garlic, and the pepper. So now let's start making our. I'm going to start now to make my to stir fry my veggies first, and in a dried pot I'll be heating up some vegetable oil. So now that the oil is hot, I'll be adding in the beef. So I'm going to fry this beef. I'm doing this on medium to low heat. I'm going to fry it until it is well cooked. Okay. Remember, we are not cooking this beef. We are just frying it. Okay. So I'm just going to fry it until the beef is well cooked, until it has become pale. So now that our beef is cooked, I'll be adding in my seasoning cubes, and then I'm just going to mix everything together. I will add in my vegetables now. I'm starting first with the onions, okay? And then I'm not adding everything now. I'm reserving some for later. Then I'll add in my carrots and my spring onions. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments for me in the comment section. Okay, let me know if you be trying out this recipe. I'm just going to mix everything and I'll fry this for 2 minutes on high heat. I don't fry my veggies on low heat. Okay, I fry my veggies on high heat. So I'm just going to stir, allow this to fry on medium to high heat. Okay. So guys, now that our veggies has fried, I'm going to take it down now and then we'll start cooking our noodles. Okay, because I'm using just one burner, I'm just going to take it down. But if you are using more than one burner, as you are doing this, you'll be boiling your noodles, okay, than another burner. So in a pot, I've added in some water. I'm just going to bring this water to a boil, and once it's boiled, I'll be adding in my noodles. So the water is boiled now. I'll be cooking my noodles. So the instruction on the pack says cook for 2 minutes. But I didn't cook these noodles for 2 minutes. So I cooked it for, let me say, about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. So now that our noodles is cooked, I'm going to take it out from the water now, and I'll add it back into our veggies. Guys, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you liked this video? Have you shared this video? Have you? Please like, share, and do all those beautiful stuffs. Okay, this recipe is so easy, so quick. Like, it took me less than 30 minutes to put all of this together. So now I'm just going to add in just one sachet of this noodle seasoning. Because I've seasoned this before, I don't want to end up with salty noodles. Just adding one sachet, and then I'll add in my cooked noodles, and I'm going to be adding a little of the noodles water just to loosen this a bit. Okay, then I'm going to mix everything very well to combine. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not liked this video, you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, this is the best time to like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Don't forget to share and leave your comments for me in the comment section. So I will add in my remaining veggies now. That's my carrots, my spring onions, and my purple onions. I'm just going to add everything, mix everything well. I hope you are enjoying this video. And guys, here is what we have. Our delicious noodles is ready. I enjoy this Honeywell noodles. My noodles do not come out soggy, okay? So this is also good in case you're looking for another noodles alternative. You can use this Honeywell noodles. This is actually my first time, and I like it. The pack is big. Like the pack that the pack is big. The pack might be looking small, but when you cook it, you know that it's not small. So here is what we have. Our noodles is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to do all of those beautiful stuffs. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to leave your comments, and also don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come here when it's time. Stay safe. Bye.